Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to another walking tour video. Today, we're exploring the beautiful coastal town of Juan-les-Pins in Antibes, France. Juan-les-Pins is a charming town that's located just a few miles away from Nice. It's known for its beautiful sandy beaches, vibrant nightlife, and stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea. This is a perfect spot for those who love to relax on the beach, soak up the sun, and enjoy the fresh sea breeze. We're starting our walking tour at the famous Juan-les-Pins beach, which is one of the most popular and beautiful beaches in the French Riviera. This beach is known for its soft sand and crystal clear water, and it's perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and various water sports. As we move along, we come across the charming old town of Juan-les-Pins. The old town is known for its narrow streets, traditional architecture, and beautiful gardens. There are also plenty of quaint cafes, restaurants, and shops where you can enjoy a delicious meal or a refreshing drink. One of the highlights of the old town is the stunning Notre Dame Blanc church. Don't forget to like this video, write a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more walking tour videos from around the world.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!
Our bell.